Good morning, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2007 Cadillac Escalade EXT. We're going to do the outside. We'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. As you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a great idea of what you're coming in to look at. But as you can see, it has the rear tinted windows, the running boards, the roof rack, the hard tonneau cover, tow pack, backup sensors, backup backup camera. And let's get in here best I can without the sun killing the glare. Sorry about that. Alright. Down here on tire size here in just a moment. Hopefully that helps. It's definitely not in bad shape for a 12, 13-year-old rig. Fog lights. Sunroof, of course. This does have remote start as well. It's a great feature. I like it, especially in the summer, winter time. Alright, let's get some features. Block the sun glare here a little bit. Power windows, power locks, power fold-in mirrors, power seats. Let's get the condition of the leather here. Don't see any rips, tears, or stains. DVD player, sunroof. Alright. Let's get the back seats here. There's a rear air entertainment. And again, DVD player. Alright, let's get some features up front. There's the aftermarket tow assist there, as you can see. Steering wheel controls. The factory tow assist. Trying to get this to focus in. Or media center, navigation, backup camera, all of that. Pedal adjusters, heated and, or no, just heated seats. Oh no, heated and cooled seats. There we go. Love it. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood before we turn it over. Manage this with one hand here. Grabbing the wrong thing here. Do apologize, folks. Oh, I apologize for that. But I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things, so please keep that in mind. And I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business. And well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. The hood is open. Let's turn that down. There's the odometer there, as you can see. No check engine lights, nothing like that. Bose Premium Sound. There is the Navi. Let's put it in reverse. Backup camera there. AC blows cold. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. Burn along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helps answer some questions. If there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.